Why do pictures always look better in frames? Why is after sunshine it's always rain? Why I got so many niggas that I lost to the game? Why is life instructions not simple and plain? Why it really is, but we don't follow instructions? Why the human race fate feel like destruction? Why do niggas have shootouts in the middle of the street? Why do kids get killed in the way they be? Why we can't afford our medicine to stay alive? Why we steady going broke just to survive? Why the white man rich and the black man poor? Why when I become a man, I'm still a boy? Why the black woman out here living a life, acting like she wanna be white but don't act like a wife? Why do we argue? Why do we fight? Why we ain't right? Why take a life? Why take your own life? That's the worst. Life can't be that cursed out here on this earth. Why we do the bullshit that we do? Why if I see your crew, I got to shoot? Why? Just tell them that I hate them haters. Why? Do they do me that way when they say why? Just tell them that I hate them haters. Why? Do they do me that way? I hate feeling that way. I hate living that way. But she like the way I stare. And they say why? Just tell them that I hate them haters. Why? Do they do me that way when they say why? Just tell them that I hate them haters. Why? Do they do me